Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken with cardboard. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need sturdy cardboard, like a shipping box, along with sharp scissors or a craft knife. A strong adhesive, such as hot glue or craft glue, is crucial for assembly. Don't forget a pencil and ruler for precise marking. Having all your materials ready makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's bring your chicken to life by designing and cutting its parts. Begin by sketching the main body, 2 wings, and a tail feather onto your cardboard. Think about the proportions to make your chicken look realistic or whimsical. Use your sharp scissors or craft knife to carefully cut out each piece. Take your time to ensure clean lines and smooth edges, as this will greatly impact the final appearance of your cardboard chicken. After filling your molds, place them in the freezer. Wait approximately 30 minutes for the mixture to firm up slightly before inserting your popsicle sticks. This helps the sticks stand upright and centered. Then, return the molds to the freezer. For best results, allow them to freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even better, overnight, to ensure they are completely solid. The final step is to decorate your cardboard chicken and give it personality. Use paint, markers, or even colored paper to add details like eyes, a bright red comb, and a wattle. You can paint your chicken in traditional farm colors or get creative with bold, imaginative hues. Consider adding texture with crumpled paper for feathers or small cardboard cutouts. Once complete, your unique cardboard chicken is ready to be proudly displayed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.